Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen that natural gas after pandemic is created a pattern. Okay, and what this pattern says that whenever it's hitting its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall has come. Okay, and if you look at this particular sharp fall, a swing is formed. After that it moved upside and a sharp fall come. Okay, and this is being repeated for quite some time. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, suppose this is the first high, we have seen a fall also this, and it formed a swing, moved upside and made a second high and a sharp fall come, but it didn't touch this because this high acted as a support. Okay, if you look at this closely, that this is the high we have seen in all those high we have seen previous high, that it took a support and form a swing, that is where it goes upside. This is the first thing you have to understand. Fifth time we have seen this pattern has formed. It tries to create for the sixth time, but it didn't sustain because of the Fed was continuously increasing the rate and dollar getting strengthened. Okay, and after that war situation was also there, where the price of natural gas was very fluctuating. Import and export balance has created all these things. Okay, at the in the situation of war. Now if you look at this particular chart, the price of natural gas is moving in a zone of $3 and a zone of $2. Okay, and I've already explained you in my previous video that if the price sustain above a level of 2.27 and a level above a level of $2.398, these two supports, okay, that it can go further upside. But once it sustain above $2.560, chance of going further high is there. Okay, and it has already made a half around $2.77. Now chances are very high that it can go further upside, because we have seen since 3 weeks it is continuously moving upside. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $2.765. Okay, and if the price sustain of that level, we can see it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $2.789. Okay, if the price move above that particular level, because $2.789 is already being a weak resistance, so chances of touching a level of around 2.825 is there. Okay, and once the price sustain above that particular level, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $3.040, and from there we can see it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of 3.343. Keep that in mind that $3.048 is the half this particular zone, so chances of going towards 3.348 is there, because that is the level we have seen that once started sustaining above $3, chance of touching 3.348 is there, and from there we can see a level of $3.566. Okay, that once started sustaining, we can see a level of 3.5, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $3.95. Okay, and then further upside we can see for the price of natural gas. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. Okay, now suppose it form a swing, because as you can see that the green candle is forming. Okay, or suppose if it form a swing, probability is less, but you have to understand something, that market is always uncertain. Keep your SL, okay, keep trailing SL, so that the profit should not be wiped out, as well as your capital, and your SL will also save your capital. Okay, there will not be a sharp rise or sharp down till the time there is no big event is coming. Otherwise, how it moves, it hold for some time, this is how it moves, hold for some time, that is how it moves the market. If the price form a swing at this particular level, chances are very high it can move towards a level of $2.638, and after that it can fall further down, and a probability that it can touch a level of around 2.635 to a level of around $2.570. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of 2.504 is there. Okay, this is the level at $2.570. We can see a bounce back can come from this particular level, or if that breaks, then we can see it can fall further low. Okay, once it fall below a level of 2.560, we can see a level of $2.496, and from there we can see it can fall further down towards a level of 2.415. Okay, and these are the support. From there a bounce back can come, but if that level didn't sustain, it can move further low, and a probability of going towards a level of 2.336 is there. If the price fall below that level, we can see it can move further down, and a probability of touching a level of $2.282. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular zone, chances of going further low will be there. Then we can see a level of $2.081 that is already being a weak support, so chances of going further low will be there, and then we can see a level of $1.943. Okay, and once the price fall level of $1.943, we can see a level of $1.824, and from there we can see it can fall further down, and a probability of touching 1.645 is there. Okay, 1.645, and once the price fall below this level, we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $1.518, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you need to